Hi friends, it's Vanessa with McMath and we are back with another story time in craft. Today we are going to read to you Escargot by Doshka Slater, and then we're going to make some snail trail slime. Let's get started.
Bonjour! I see you staring at me. I don't mind. My name is Escargot, and I am such a beautiful French snail that everybody stares at me. Right now, I am traveling to the salad at the end of this book. It is a beautiful salad with croutons and a light vinaigrette. You should come. I just need a little push to help me start. While we are traveling, we can talk. Tell me, what do you think is my most beautiful part? My shell? My neck? My tentacles? Ooh la la, it is so hard to choose. That is because all of Escargot is magnifique. You can kiss me if you want. Would you kiss a snail? Let's talk about our favorite animals. Is yours the dog, the cat, the platypus, the wildebeest, the lemur, the hippopotamus? What's a hippopotamus? Wait! Before you answer, I must tell you something sad. So sad I might cry. Will you stroke my shell just until I feel better? Okay. Now I will tell you the very sad thing. Nobody ever says their favorite animal is the snail. That's the saddest thing I've ever heard. Perhaps you think snails are slimy, Escargot. You are too slimy to be my favorite animal. Au contraire, the trails I make as I travel to the salad are shimmery trails of, what would you call it? Not slime, more like shimmery trails of shimmery stuff. But enough about me. Do you also make a shimmery trail? What is your favorite kind of salad? You look like the kind of intelligent person who enjoys a salad with croutons and a light vinaigrette and absolutely no carrots. The kind of person who might say, my favorite animal is the snail. But perhaps you think, snails are shy, Escargot. You are too shy to be my favorite animal. Au contraire, I am quite fierce. This is the face I make to scare a lion, or a wild boar, or a carrot that sneaks into my salad. Can you also make a fierce face to scare away the carrot? Maybe we should roar at it too. That was a very fierce face and a very loud roar. We scared him. Do you want me to come out? Really? Then you must say, come out, Escargot. Come out, and I promise I will never put a carrot in your salad. Come out, and I will kiss you. Here I am. Don't forget my kiss. I kiss you back. Mwah! Am I your favorite animal yet? It's my favorite animal now. Perhaps you think, snails are slow, Escargot. You are too slow to be my favorite animal. Au contraire, I just don't like to hurry. A French snail likes to relax before enjoying salad with a few croutons and a light vinaigrette. But if I wanted to, I could run faster than the cheetah. You don't believe me? I will race you to the salad at the end of this book. Whoever gets there first will be the fantastically fast champion of the world and also your favorite animal. On your mark, get set, go! Do you see how fast I am? I am like the wind itself. I just need to rest for 1 second. Can you blow on me to cool me off? Blow on him. Okay, I am ready now for the final sprint. I win! Oh, you are here too? a tie. We are both the champions. We are both magnifiques. Let us celebrate by eating salad with a few croutons and a light vinaigrette. Bon appetit. But this is not the right salad. This salad has a few croutons and a light vinaigrette and carrots. Next, Escargot does not eat carrots. Escargot has never eaten a carrot. Escargot will now make a fierce face at the carrot. The carrot is not running away. Perhaps you would like to eat the carrot. Go ahead, try it. I will make you a deal. If you will try it, I will try it too. On the count of 3, we will take a very, very, very small bite of the carrot. 1, 2, 3. The carrot was actually delicious. So delicious that I might have forgotten to share. You probably won't choose me as your favorite animal now. You'll choose instead the baboon or the koala or the earwig. But that is okay, c'est la vie. I will tell you a secret. You are very beautiful, even if you don't make a shimmery trail. You are very fast, almost as fast as Escargot. And you can make a very fierce face. Don't show me I remember. You are magnifique. In fact, you are my favorite animal. And so, I kiss you. Mwah. Cheers.
Hi, it's Sarah at McMath Library, and today we will be making snail trail slime. To make the slime, you will need 1 cup of Elmer's glue, some food coloring, optional glitter, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of contact solution. So the first thing you're going to do is add your 1 cup of glue. And you'll go ahead and add your food coloring and your glitter. We're gonna make it green. Just need a couple of drops. It really depends on how deep of a green you'd like it to be. I like adding a lot of glitter, but it's a personal choice. And then you'll mix it up. Till you get it about the color that you'd like it to be. I'm gonna add a little more of the green. And once you've gotten it mixed up, you will add your teaspoon of baking soda. Stir that in. And add about 3 tablespoons of contact solution. That's 1, 2, and 3. This is where the science happens. When the glue and the contact solution bond together, making your slime. If you find that it's too sticky on your hands, what you'll want to do is add a little more contact solution. Let's see how it is. Sometimes it is easier to just mix it with your hands. So if you don't mind getting your hands a little sticky, sometimes that's the best way. We're definitely going to add some more contact solution. And that now it's starting to stick to itself a little more and less to my hands. So it's getting closer to the texture that you want it to be. Maybe just a little more. Just a dash. There we go. And that's about right. So it's pretty stretchy. It's kind of bouncy in your hands. And it's really glittery and beautiful, just like Escargot's Snail Trail. Goodbye.